wanted to film a spring favorites video for you guys, and so that's what I'm filming today. I'm going to start off with makeup favorites because that's usually what I do, because like I never really have like a ton of them. So if you're a human being who wears makeup, I recommend this eyeshadow from ColourPop. It's the one that's a powder, not the one that's like squishy. I've never tried the ones that are squishy. But it's like a yellow color, and I don't know if you can see this from that far away because my viewfinder is very tiny and you're far away right now because I'm using a 50mm lens, but it's like this mustard color and it's really pretty. Mustard yellow, or just yellow in general, is my favorite color. So I was like, oh my god, I can put this on my eyes, and it was lit, so I bought it. I also got like a pink one, and I low-key only bought the pink one because the name was Labyrinth. I don't remember the name to this one, I'll have it linked in the description. But Labyrinth is one of my favorite movies. I actually have a Labyrinth poster next to me, so that's why I bought it. But it's really pretty, so it works. My last makeup favorite is this highlighter palette from ColourPop. I had the original one in the white packaging last year. I think it came out like a year ago. And I really liked it, but like I'm out of it. Like I have hit the bottom of like every single one. So I got the new one that came out because I was like, may as well, and I heard this one wasn't glittery, and I was like, I like glitter, but only when I want glitter. So I got this one, and it's real pretty if you look at it. I don't know if you can see this at all, but I'll put swatches on the screen. I really like the gold color and then this peach color. But if they're like slightly too dark, so I mix it with this color, but like all of them are super pretty, and I feel like this could work for a lot of different skin tones, which is lit. I think it was like $18, and there's 6 highlighters in it, so like it's a good deal. It's expensive, but like I got that good tax return. I'm gonna roll with it. Okay, next we're going to talk about art. Love art. Art's my favorite. So first and foremost, I'm going to talk about woodworking. So if you've been watching my videos, you probably know that I'm currently taking a sculpture class. And a few of the projects have been made out of wood, and right now I'm building a wooden like machine. He calls it like a machine, but it's really just like a mechanical structure. Is that what a machine is? I don't know. So I'm building this structure out of wood, and if you turn it, it's going to move different parts and make things go up and down. And I'm not done with it. I'll put in a picture of it right now, and if I finish it by the time this video goes up, there will be a video of it, but probably not. So it will be on my Instagram either way, so you can follow me on my Instagram. It's at Rachael.fm. I've also been loving oil painting medium, so I use the water mixable oils because I can't have the regular oils at my school, and I also can't have them at home because of my 3-year-old sister. So I use water mixable oils. I use the ones by Winsor & Newton, and they have this artisan oil painting medium, and it's just called medium, and I used it for the painting that I did of my friend's body. I'll put the painting on the screen. I'm like okay with how it turned out. I feel like there was a lot of things I could have done better, but you know, you live and you learn. But I really like it because it thins out the paint just enough, and I always mix it with the paint thinner in order to follow that like fat over lean rule. So yeah, I've been enjoying it. I really like the way it makes the paint feel. I just love painting so much, so that's always a favorite for me. My last art favorite is this digital tablet that I got. It's not a Wacom tablet. I can't afford a Wacom tablet. There's currently $3.79 in my bank account, and I'm not exaggerating. But this one was like $40 on Amazon, which I think is a pretty good deal for a tablet, especially this size. It's from the XP Pen brand, and I got it on Amazon. It's just like one of those tablets where you like look at the computer screen and then you draw on the tablet without looking at it. I used this little pen that came with it. It also came with a ton of nibs for the pen, which is really cool. I love this tablet. I think it works super well. Granted, I've only used a Wacom tablet in the classroom. I've never used a Cintiq. And so pretty much this is all I've ever really known, so it's been easy for me to go with. The only thing I don't like about it is I have to constantly like uninstall and then reinstall it because it will just stop picking up the pen's motion. So that's kind of annoying, but like I'd much rather just take a few minutes to uninstall and reinstall it again than pay like $300 for a tablet. So it works and I'm happy with it. I love traditional art so much more than I love digital art, but I have been doing a lot of fun little animation things with it. I did that like a painting that I had on my Instagram. I'll put it on the screen too. If you watched my bullet journaling video, I have that pomegranate animation at the beginning of it, and I did that too on Photoshop. I also made that little peach animation at the beginning of my video. I've also made a few Illustrator pieces like this poster. I've designed a few tattoos for people through Illustrator. It's just been really fun. I think I'll always prefer traditional media just because I like the way it feels in my hands. But like, you can do some fun things on digital, and I honestly think digital is a little bit easier than traditional media, so it's nice when I just want to take a little bit of a break. Okay, in terms of fashion favorites, I have some fun ones this month, so I'm super excited. I have this gold chain belt, which is like amazing. It was 99 cents at a thrift store, and when I saw the price, I was like, this is $99, is this real gold? Like, why would they have this out with everything else? And then my friend was like, Rachel, that's 99 cents. And I felt really silly, but it's a really cool piece, at least I think so. I like wearing it with like black pants, and it's a lot of fun to wear. I always feel really fancy when I wear it, so it's like a lot of fun. And it's really big on me, so it like dangles down, and that's like a really cool thing. I got these shoes a while ago. They're just these like Nike shoes. I don't know what kind of Nike shoes they are. I don't wear them as often as I wear like my Doc Martin sneakers or my Mary Janes. I think they're really fun to wear if I need like a more comfortable shoe or like a walking shoe. I got these at Love the City thrift store in Culver City. If you live in LA, I highly recommend that thrift store. Basically, they have this thing called the bag sale, where if you go, you can get a Trader Joe's bag and you can put in clothes and shoes and bags in it, and you can fill it up all the way to the top, and then you pay $10 for the entire thing. And it's awesome because if you only want to get a few things and you're with a friend, you can compile your bags together and pay like $5 each. And I found some really cool shoes there. I found my pink and green shoes there too. I found like a Calvin Klein long sleeve shirt, a cute little tote bag. They have like a lot of really cool things there, so I recommend checking that out. I think they have really cool stuff. So if you're in LA, I recommend checking out Love the City thrift store in Culver City. They're really awesome. My next favorite is also a really fun one. It's this Lee's denim jacket. I got it again at a thrift store. It has like the Lee brand tag, and it has the little tag on the pocket too. And it's really pretty like light wash denim, but it has the words Hemmings Muscle Machines embroidered on the front left above the pocket and all big on the back. I think this is hilarious because like, who's Hemmings? What's a muscle machine? I don't know. Am I gonna wear it? Yeah. But yeah, since it's Lee, it's a really heavy denim and it's a really nice quality. And I paid like $12 for this jacket, which is super expensive for a thrift store, but I think it was good quality and I wear it all the time, so I think it was a good purchase. My last fashion favorite, I feel like this is gonna be like mixed feelings, and to be completely honest, I got mixed feelings on it. It's this tan Dickies jumpsuit, and it looks like something maybe like a house painter would wear. There's actually paint on it. I have no idea the context or the situation that I'm going to wear this in. Actually, okay, I've worn it once. We had a Scooby-Doo party to celebrate this Supernatural crossover episode of Scooby-Doo. It was called Scooby Natural, and for the party we had wine and cheese, and it was very fun. For the party, you had to dress up as a Scooby-Doo villain, so I dressed up as the worst Scooby-Doo villain, Scrappy-Doo. So I had my hair up in buns and I was wearing this tan jumpsuit, and I had the little collar and a little thing on my nose, and it was a great time. Last but not least, I wanted to talk about music favorites. So The Garden released their new album. I think it's called Mirror Mirror Might Steal Your Charm. It came out in late March and it's so good. I really like The Garden and I've really loved watching them grow musically. I love their new album. I think it's so good. My favorite song from the album is Make a Wish, but I also like Call the Dogs Out and Banana Split quite a bit, and Sad Face, that's a good song too. But I love that album. I think it's such a good album. I highly recommend that you go check out The Garden. They're getting really big now and that's exciting. Cowgirl Clue opened for The Garden, and I also like Cowgirl Clue. I've had them on my radio playlists a few times. Her music is like really fun and carefree, so I also recommend Cowgirl Clue. So that was it for my favorites. Let me know what your favorites were for the spring in the comments. If you have any recommendations for me, like music-wise or anything else, just leave them in the comments because I'm super excited. And if you feel like following me on my social media, it will all be linked in the description. But like, no pressure, you don't have to. I understand if you don't want to see more of myself on the internet. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.